Hi, this is the Galaxy M34 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch from power key button on this device. If you wanna use the another option, not only the camera app from power key, you should open first the settings and then scroll down to the advanced features. Click to the side key and here you'll see quick launch camera section. Just watch it to open up. Here you'll see the other options like the search and more other applications. So let's just open, for example, the YouTube from the double press the power key button. Just select the YouTube and now let's press twice to the power key. So as you could see, that's just so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.